Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me printer Canon MG5700 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to check your EWS, your embedded web server, your printer's web interface address. So to do it, just find the setup, click open, then find your device settings, click OK. Then find LAN settings, click OK, scroll down, find your confirm LAN settings, and click print LAN details. Click on it, print LAN details, click yes, wait a while, and great, that's it. So here, as you can see, I have my network configuration page, and here is my IP address. So it's my IP address from my printer settings. So if this printer is connected to the network, I can open embedded web server using this network, if of course my device is connected to the same network that is printer connected. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.